Okay, now we go at the grapes farm. Nesha, go na. Sulod ka na doon, anak. Go na. Go. Yan, dito na kami sa grapes farm. Ang daming grapes. Nesha, you know the ripe grapes, ha? You go now. You go. See, nasa bungad pa lang kami. Dami ng bunga, oh. Kaya lang, hilaw pa. Hmm.